Today we have a iPhone 6 that doesn't charge. Customer booked it in for not charging. Let's dive in and check out what's going on. So, first things first, plug it in. We're gonna see. We have 0.0 volts. Let's dive in and check out. Do we have battery voltage? Still multimeter. Multimeter don't lie.
This X is going to do.
As you can see, we're pretty much getting 0 and or low reading. So let's ground one side.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, 'cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone, but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there. It's strange.
test it. Just want to see if it's pulling power. If it's pulling power, that means that we're good to go, guys. Obviously, just test quick. Just plug in everything without putting all the sensors. Charger. Receiving 1.1 volt. As you can see, guys, it's charging. As we can see over here, it's currently 1.1 amps of current. This means that it's a successful repair, guys. Thanks guys for watching. So like, subscribe. See you in the next video.